Just imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra 5 hours in your day. What would you do? Would you learn a new skill? Spend more time with family? Finally finish that project you have been putting off? Well, here's the truth. You already have those hours. They are just hiding in the way you currently spend your time. And today, I'm going to help you find them and use them wisely. Hello, my dear English lovers. Welcome back to Nick's World of English, the place where we improve not just our language skills but also our lives. Today's topic is one of my favorites because it has the power to change your life completely. It's time management. There is a quote I love: time management is life management. It's short, powerful, and it perfectly explains how the way we use our time shapes our life, our success, and even our happiness. The value of time. Time is the most limited resource we have. No matter who you are, a CEO, a student, housewife, you only get 24 hours in a day. You can't buy more time. You can't extend it. Once a minute is gone, it's gone forever. Let me ask you this. Have you ever reached the end of the day and wonder, where did all my time go? That's exactly why managing your time is one of the most important skills you can develop. What time management really means? Time management, it's not just about writing a long to-do list. It's about making smart choices, deciding which activities are worth your energy and which ones are just distractions. It's about striking a balance, spending on important activities that brings results and cutting down on things that don't matter. In other words, time management helps you work smarter, not just harder. Why it is needed for everyone? No matter what stage of life you are in, you need time management. If you are a student, it helps you study effectively without last minute stress. If you are an office worker, it helps you meet deadlines without burnout. If you are a business owner, it helps you focus on growth rather than being stuck in daily work. And if you are a homemaker, it helps you balance home responsibilities and personal time. Which one are you? And be honest, how well are you managing your 24 hours? The cost of poor time management. Poor time management is like trying to fill a bucket with holes. No matter how much water you pour in, it leaks out. You work harder, but you get less done. You feel stressed, deadlines are missed, and worst of all, you lose time you can never get back. That's why every single minute counts. 7 tips for better time management. So let's talk about solutions. Here are 7 powerful tips to take control of your time. First, set goals correctly. Be specific and realistic about what you want to achieve. Second, plan ahead. Spend 5 to 10 minutes every evening planning your next day. Third, prioritize wisely. Identify your top 3 tasks for the day and do them first. Fourth, set a timeline. Deadlines create urgency and keeps you focused. Fifth, organize yourself. A tidy workspace saves time and reduce stress. 6. Take breaks. Short breaks refresh your mind and keep you productive. 7. Remove non-essential tasks. Learn to say no to distraction. If you practice even 3 of these tips daily, you will notice a difference within a week. When you manage your time well, you will enjoy better productivity, higher efficiency, lower stress levels, improved quality of work, stronger workplace relationships, more self-discipline, faster completion of tasks, more creativity, sharper focus, and the ability to achieve your biggest goals. They are not just benefits, they are life upgrades. If you are not managing your time, you are wasting it, and wasted time can never be recovered. Treat it like a precious currency. Spend it on what truly matters. Vocabulary section. Here are 10 useful English words and phrases for today's topic with example. First, precious, very valuable. Time is precious, so don't waste it. Second, efficient, doing something in the best possible way. She is efficient at managing her work. Third, prioritize, decide what is most important. Prioritize your health above everything else. Fourth, deadline. A specific time something must be done. We have a strict deadline for this project. Fifth, productivity. How much work is completed in a given time? Listening to music helps my productivity. Sixth, distraction. Something that takes your attention away. Turn off notification to avoid distraction. 7. Self-discipline. Control over your own actions. Self-discipline is key to learning a language. 8. Workload. The amount of work to be done. Her workload doubled after the promotion. 9. Burnout. Extreme tiredness caused by overwork. Long hours without rest can lead to burnout. 10. Achieve. To successfully reach a goal. With focus, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you so much for giving me your precious time today. If you found this video valuable, please like, share and subscribe to Nick's World of English so you don't miss your inspiring topics. And remember, time is precious. Manage it well and it will manage your life in the best possible way. Thank you. See you in the next video.